Imagine walking through a garden in spring, the air filled with the gentle hum of bees, the fluttering of colorful butterflies, and the sweet scent of blooming flowers. What you're seeing and hearing is far more than just beauty in nature. It's a vital process that keeps our world alive: pollination. Welcome to Parna Garden. In this episode, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of pollinators, especially bees and butterflies, to understand why they're essential, what threats they face, and how each of us can help protect them. Watch this video till the end as it gets more and more colorful and fascinating. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so now. If you like this video, please hit the like button and bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Also, please share this video and Parna Garden YouTube channel with your friends. Here is a honeybee collecting nectar from basil flowers. What are pollinators? Pollinators are animals that carry pollen from one flower to another, enabling plants to reproduce. While bees and butterflies are the stars of the show, other pollinators include beetles, moths, wasps, flies, birds like hummingbirds, and even bats. But bees and butterflies have a special place in this process. Bees are nature's most efficient pollinators, visiting hundreds of flowers a day and ensuring accurate pollen transfer. Butterflies, with their long, delicate proboscis, pollinate flowers that bees can't easily reach, helping a wider variety of plants thrive. This carpenter bee is collecting sunflower pollen and storing it in specialized pollen sacs on its legs, called corbiculae. Why pollinators matter? Pollinators keep ecosystems healthy and our food supply abundant. Around 75% of all flowering plants need pollinators, and more than 1/3 of our food crop, from apples to almonds, cucumbers to coffee, depend on them. Without pollinators, our diets would be less diverse, less nutritious, and less colorful. It's not just about food for us. Pollinators sustain wild plants that feed and shelter countless other creatures, creating a balanced, biodiverse environment. They also help keep soils healthy, reduce erosion, and support clean water systems. When plants thrive, so do the animals, insects, and humans who depend on them. The economic impact. Pollinators aren't just ecological heroes, they're economic powerhouses. Global crop pollination by animals is valued at hundreds of billions of dollars every year. Farmers rely on healthy pollinator populations to produce abundant, high-quality crops. Think of the price of almonds or blueberries. If pollinators disappear, costs skyrocket, yields drop, and farming communities suffer financially. Protecting pollinators is also protecting livelihoods. The threats they face. Unfortunately, pollinator populations are in trouble worldwide. Bees, butterflies, and other pollinators face a perfect storm of challenges. Habitat loss from urbanization and intensive farming leaves them with fewer places to feed and nest. Pesticides harm or kill them directly, and can contaminate their food sources. Climate change shifts blooming seasons, disrupting the timing between flowers and pollinators. Diseases and parasites weaken pollinator populations, especially honeybees. When pollinators decline, the entire web of life feels the impact, from wild plants to human food systems. How we can help. The good news? Every one of us can make a difference. Here's how. Plant pollinator-friendly gardens with native flowers, herbs, and shrubs that bloom throughout the seasons. Avoid harmful pesticides. Choose natural pest control methods. Provide shelter by leaving patches of bare ground, logs, or brush piles for nesting bees and butterflies. Support local beekeepers and farmers who use sustainable practices. Spread awareness. The more people understand pollinators' importance, the more likely we are to protect them. Even small steps can create safe havens and food sources for these vital creatures. Bees and butterflies may be small, but their impact is enormous. They give us vibrant gardens, abundant harvests, and thriving ecosystems. Protecting pollinators isn't just about saving insects, it's about safeguarding the very systems that keep us alive. So next time you see a bee buzzing or a butterfly drifting past, take a moment to appreciate the quiet, tireless work they do for all of us. When they thrive, we all thrive. I'd love to hear from you. Share in the comments if you found this video helpful and what topics you'd like me to cover next. And if you're curious to see how pollination actually works, check out the video popping up at the end. Thank you for watching.